All right, so it's time for rollout this morning, and because it's Good Friday, this morning we have gospel rollout. As you know, they get a minute each to perform. Simaruni will judge. We were trying to get Jermaine in, but I don't think we're going to get him in. First entertainer, first contestant is Alex Young. Run the track.
And you feel so discouraged, you got to fight. Yes, you've got to fight. The enemy wants to hold you down and keep you on the ground. Show your cares of this life, but this is what I say. Won't you trust in the Most High? Cause I know for you He will fight. God will never leave your side. He will never leave your side. Won't you trust in the Most High? Cause I know for you He will fight. God will never leave your side. No, He will never leave your side. We all have problems, but God can solve them. The burden bearer will take you through them. So don't quit, God is in this. The reasons for trials, they make you stronger. With courage like Joshua, just have faith and believe in your Savior. Jesus Christ, He's your keeper, and He will never leave you. Won't you trust in the Most High?
What's 4?
Yes.
I like Alex. 4 out of 5. Duino is next. Duino, you have a good 5 for it.
Yeah. Yo, what do we know? Yeah. Yeah. What you know? Alright then. Big ship sinking, but I'm floating. Now switch thinking, cause I'm growing. And negativity me ignoring. And nobody can lure me, boring. Temptation's rough, but I'm holding. Cause me want what God have in storing. And me never born with the golden spoon, but I'm blessed and I'm soaring. Yeah, we living in a modern time, manipulating everyone's mind. Whoa, it's like we in a line. You're lining up for every sin and then we not divide. Oh yeah, we living in a modern time. Oh yeah, manipulating everyone's mind. Yeah, it's like we.
Oh, me like Duino too.
Yeah. And I like Duino's melody more than
Alex Young.
Alex Young's melody. Alex's voice is fantastic. So I'm going to give
Duino
a 4.5.
4.5. Why is Jedediah this rough? 5 you have to get Jedediah, or you're not going to win the thing. So, the third and final contestant on gospel rollout is Jedediah. Run the track.
Jedediah. A chosen generation. We are royal people. Happy Good Friday. Never been. It's good to see you, Empress, finally.
Woo woo. Royal people glowing in the light. Royal people glowing in the light. Royal people glowing in the light. Stay chosen in power, blood washed and covered all over. Royal people glowing in the light. Say, oh, del amigo, I'm a royal soldier for the kingdom. In the spirit Can't really bust line from sinning and power encountered my mind. I redeemed, so I'm giving the king of all king. Treasure empty for my life. Jesus swallowed up dead and
Almost like Phantom of the Opera. You're speechless
Yeah.
or spellbound.
Very interesting,
Yep.
eclectic performance.
Yep. Production almost.
Yeah.
Yeah,
As far as the song goes,
yeah.
and just the performance generally rated, I would give him a 3.5.
3.5.
Yeah.
Are we taking any calls? No, we're not. So Duino is the winner of this morning's rollout.
Well done to everybody.
But yeah, man, very, very good. Very good. So Duino will take us. I liked all three. I liked everyone. So
What's his name? Jedediah. Jedediah has a very
yeah, it's interesting.
different style.
It's interesting. I
Yeah,
like them all.
Yeah.
And Alex, your voice tough.
Yeah, man.
Duino,
Yeah,
but I like them. I'm glad it's him.
Alex, use your melody more. You
Yeah.
have highs and lows, and you're using one.
All right, give Duino the mic and he will take us to the break, I guess, and then we will come back and tell you goodbye. All right, run the track again. Here's Duino, the winner of Gospel Rollout today.
Yeah, yo, what do we know? Real love, yeah. Yeah. What you know? Big ship sinking, but I'm floating. Not switch thinking, cause I'm growing. And negativity me ignoring. And nobody can lure me, boring. Temptations rough, but I'm holding. Cause me want what God have been storing. And me never born with the golden spoon, but I'm blessed and I'm soaring. Yeah, we living in a modern time, manipulating everyone's mind. Whoa, it's like we in a line. You're lining up for every sin and then we not divine. Oh yeah, we living in a modern time. Oh yeah, manipulating everyone's mind. Yeah, it's like we